at the Buda Wiener Dog Races. Indy is ready to race. Let's unhook. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ugh. I gotta get you on your leash. Come on. Indy, look at all the other weenie dogs.
This is one of the largest crowds we've ever had. I think the biggest one we ever had was before we did Cabela's Parking in the out.
Alright, so right now we're in the Winnie race tent. Indy's gonna be in race number 9. Lots of Winnie dogs in here. Indy's not sure what to make of it. Uh-oh, somebody's got a squeaky toy. Uh-oh, somebody's got a squeaky toy. Indy. So this is a mistake. We have to bring Indy's squeaky toy. Hey, you're so upset over them toys. You're okay. You're all right. See, that's all he cares about. Like, he loves the squeaky toys, yeah. Buddy, are you worried about your squeaky toy? That's all he cares about. No. Indy. Come on. Indy, look at all the freaking people here.
Next morning we had a flyby by the helicopter.
Easy. Come on. One handler per dog.
Okay.
Don't worry about that, bud.
Ready? Racers are ready. On your mark. Get set. Go. That's why I am in charge of the pari-mutuel betting.
Look.
Pink, like I said, pink and blue, pink and blue. Boomer.
You ready again?
By the way, his name is not Lane.
Good work. Run fast, Indy.
Been watching too much 8 seconds, I think.
Hey.
Teddy Ta, Kate,
Come right here.
Luna,
Come on.
Bella, Sigma, and Indiana.
Come on, buddy. Hey, Indy, let's go. Come on, Indy. Indy, hey, focus on me. Let's go. Come on.
Race number 9.
Indy, come on. Come on, Indy.
You remember what I said about grown men with squeaky toys? Grown men with GoPros on their hats and hope like heck he does right. Okay.
All right, Indy, come on.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Indy, come here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
10,000 motorcycles. Y'all turn around and wave at the motorcycles.
Good boy. Oh,
White.
thank you. Thank you.
And orange.
Do you need this?
Jelly you were holding up. White and yellow. White and orange. Okay. White and orange. Be Indiana and Teddy Ta. Teddy Tata.
Good boy.
Sorry, I was waiting for the call and the callers were already off. So this is for coming in first. You'll need this to come back to the finals tomorrow.
Okay,
hang on
great.
to those blue pieces of paper. They are important.
Come on.
You just see me going
There you
down
go.
on a
Good
motorcycle
boy.
with my hair ablaze, and I don't have that much hair.
Good boy. No, come here. I know.